Hello friends, I am Abhisheka Sumalata from MZC Group. Topic is pancreas. Pancreas is a compound gland which secretes digestive enzymes into the duodenum, and it works as an exocrine and endocrine glands and performs both digestive and endocrine functions. And the epithelium of pancreatic acini acts as exocrine part, and it produces the pancreatic juice. In the juice that contains the sodium bicarbonate, and the digestive enzymes like trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, amylase, lipase and maltase. These are help in digestion of food in the intestine. And and in the pancreas they have like clusters of cells called islets of Langerhans. It is act on endocrine part. These islets of Langerhans are two types: alpha cells and beta cells. Alpha cells produce the glucagon and the beta cells produce the insulin hormones. Glucagon. Glucagon is a peptide hormone which secreted by the alpha cells. When our blood glucose level fall below the normal level, then the time glucagon is responsive and it increases the blood glucose level. So it is called as hyperglycemic factor. And the breakdown of glycogen to glucose is known as glycogenolysis, or the conversion of amino acids and lactic acid to glucose. Insulin. Insulin is a protein produced by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans, and this insulin decreases the blood glucose level. So it is called as hypoglycemic factor. This insulin reduces the blood glucose level by two types. In the type 1, in the cells the glucose is converted to glucose 6 phosphate. In the second one, the conversion of glucose to glycogen and fatty acids. And next, the shortage of insulin results in a disease called diabetes mellitus. Diabetes means urine and the mellitus means sweet. These diabetes mellitus are two types, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes mellitus is called as insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, and this type 2 of diabetes mellitus is called as non-insulin diabetes mellitus. This type 1 of diabetes mellitus is caused totally deficiency by insulin, and it increases levels of insulinase, and it is a hereditary. These type 1 of diabetes mellitus mostly occur in the age of 12 to 15 years, and it also known as juvenile onset diabetes. It is treated by insulin therapy. Type 2 of diabetes mellitus occurs due to the decrease the number of insulin receptors in plasma membrane, and also the mutation in the genes. And this type of diabetes mellitus mostly occurs in a age of 35 years. It is also known as adult onset diabetes. This type of diabetes mellitus mostly occur due to the overtaking of food, and this is controlled by the weight reduction, diet control and by physical exercise. Thank you.